Oh my gosh, I just finished watching Alex Hormozi's launch of $100 million leads, and you're gonna wanna watch this video because I'm going to show you how to get all the information that he shared for free. Like, honestly, when he actually said everything that he is just giving away for free, it ups the marketing game. Marketing used to be buy one, get one free. That was marketing. It used to be buy something and get more value. Marketing now is here is value. Here is what you need to know. Here is how I can solve your problem. Value up front and then asking for the purchase. Except he didn't actually ask for the purchase. And so he has just taken marketing to a whole new level. So in the description, find out 1, how to get access to all this free information. And 2, find out how to get his $100 million leads book because I promise you your business needs it. I'm the Business Cowgirl. Thanks for watching.